Writing an email is the equivalent of making a sandwich for your teacher. A good sandwich requires a good foundation with proper layers, just like an email. Now, it may be cheesy, but it's a big deal. A bad email is like a moldy sandwich. Would you have your grandma eat a moldy sandwich? Of course not. Then why would you send one? So, let's consider this. What is a good email? There are a lot of important ingredients that go into making a good email. First, you need a proper tone, subject, greeting, body, signature, and finally, the best practice is to send it from your DC mail. Adding too much sauce, especially hot sauce, to a sandwich can completely ruin it. Hot sauce represents aggression in an email, and nobody wants a burning mouth. Just like no one wants to receive a threatening email. Don't send one. Remember, you're not texting your friends. You shouldn't be spamming your professor by sending multiple emails like a text. Tone it down on the spam. Get it? Now, take a look at the tone being conveyed by this sentence.
Are you kidding me? Susan, what does this mark? I was only 1 day late.
That's just awful. Now, take a look at what a proper tone looks like.
Hi, Professor Stewart. I have reviewed my recent assignment grade and was wondering if I could book some time with you to discuss how to improve.
Now, that's the perfect amount of sauce. You want the sandwich that you eat to be professionally made. Just like the relationship between you and your professor should be kept professional and respectful at all times. A proper tone is not enough to make a professional email. You also want to use the appropriate sandwich-like structure. The subject should be detailed and straight to the point. The greetings should be respectful and address them by their title, unless otherwise requested. Remember, hey is not an appropriate way to address your professor or future boss. Make sure to include your name, student number, course, and class day to be easily identified. Some teachers have over 200 students. How would they know which one is you? What makes a sandwich whole is its protein, as does the body of an email. Within your body, you should state the reason for contacting them, and it should be clear, concise, and correct. To top it off, your sandwich needs a slice of cheese. Just like every good email should end with a signature. If you don't have these ingredients, that's a poorly made sandwich. Now you're ready to send it off. Remember, best practice is to make sure it's from your school email. Now that you know how to create that perfect sandwich, email, you can ensure that you'll get a professional reply from your professors. I hope you're hungry. Enjoy your sandwich.